What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. I'm out at the auction today, going to check out a couple of cars. And I am sitting in a 2012 Nissan Altima SL with black leather. Man, it's got 2 keys. No, it doesn't have remote start. Heated seats. Man, it's really clean. Let's crank it up. See what we got. It's got push button start. Battery might be getting a little weak. See if we got any warning lights. I mean, this is a 2012 with only 112,000 miles. It's due for an oil change. This is a really nice Altima. And it's got an upgraded little head unit here. And I'll be damned, it has a backup camera. Dual zone climate control. Okay, this is a little bit of an unusual one. This thing is really nice. Let's take it for a drive and see if the CVT's worth a shit. Because that's where these things fall flat on their face and fail. As if something is wrong with the CVT. Well, so far so good. You know, what they do is they start to shudder under acceleration. So we'll get it out here. Looks like somebody's been driving it. It's nice and warm. Man, they got some wrecked shit out here. Tomorrow's the government sale too, so there'll be some government vehicles here. I just want to check this AC and make sure this AC is working. Working. This car's very tight for a 2012. I mean, very, very tight. All right, here we go. Wow. CVT is good in this car. Very, very good. Very good. Very nice. Wow. Yeah, this is a nice one. We'll get out here and do a little walk around of it. Let me pop the hood. Check out the tires. Let you guys see it. I mean, this thing is clean as a pin. Silver. It's got a nice set of Cooper Radials on it. Yep. Looks pretty good. Headlights look good. They're not all shot and worn out. New battery 6 of 19. Looks good. Check the oil. Oh yeah, oil looks good. I gotta pause it. Got a good body. Just got one little ding right here. That stinks. Got one bum spot. But look how clean this car is. The mats, rubber mats, nice leather. Headliner's clean. Yep, 2.5 SL. It's a nice little car. I'm gonna bid on this thing. I'm sure it'll bring too much money though. But it's nice seeing it with this updated head unit. Leather seats. Got some options. This will be a nice car. 112,000 miles is low for a 2012. This is good low miles. Yeah, I like this. This is nice. Very nice. Got a Honda Accord out here I'm trying to track down. Yep, nice little car. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all watching. We're going to come back with another one here in just a few minutes. Peace.